Just a quick video. If you've got a robotic pool cleaner, if you stand on the side and lift it out, if you're like me and you've got a bad back, it can really hurt your back. So I'll show you the way most people do it, which can hurt your back, and then a way of doing it which would be much easier on your back. Hope it's useful. So this is the usual way. You can stand on the side and lift it. Stand like this till the water comes out. That's definitely not that good for your back. Now this way can be much easier on your back because you can just stand straight up. Stand in the corner so you can actually over the pool. And stand straight up. Much easier. Well, hope that was useful. Bye.